I'm loading the game, my dude.
We have taken objective Charlie.
It's Queen!
Can you join Freddy?
What's up, Freddy?
Or Edward?
Losing objective
One hot set. Well, I wish I knew what it was like to be
Freddy's actually
good.
locked. Go to Edward.
Okay.
Oh, I just got a knife kill.
Sure, you're almost dead, my dude.
I know. I just
There's a
put
guy
on
right
my
behind
cap.
you. Oh, I just got. Huh. Huh. There's a nearby
Sometimes I'll
medic.
go-
The real question is he gonna res me?
I'm gonna get the. Oh my god! I was laying down with 30 health.
I
And
believe
get
that.
up. Snipe.
Oh, that's a lot of.
We have lost objective butter.
Huh.
Res me, my dude.
We need to stay together.
I have not captured any points.
A couple of them.
And we just lost that point very fast.
Yeah, that was quick. That was ridiculously quick.
Wait, how have we not caught up with all the...
I mean, we're working on
I
it.
think it is kills in this game, to be honest.
It's not. It's not.
Holy shit! I just had a total of like 6 grenades on me at that point.
Yeah, the planes. Yeah, the planes will kill you. They will dick on you. Ooh! That's what they call a flick shot, brother. Ooh! Fatherino!
Alright,
Oh.
I'm done with this. It's useless.
Yeah.
Did I get a battle pack?
Hope not.
Nope.
I did.
You got... You cut.
I don't know how. Didn't do anything.
File.
Here we go. Here's an unboxing, boys. Right for Gorp Industries. Here we go. Let's do an unboxing. Here we go. Big money, big money, big money. I wish I knew what it was like to be good. I don't think this is very good. That the game is broken and not very fun. At the map, at least. Good.
Instagram.
Good.
You do. I guess we'll start running together, my dude.
Yeah, don't actually.
That dude is on fire.
So yeah, somebody's already burning.
Erste Hilfe. Ich hoffe, das Zeug
Well, I just got, I'm at the top of the leaderboard for healing that guy, so
Yep.
feeling pretty good about
Not
myself.
anymore.
We'll see about that.
I thought you could use these things right here on A.
Those things,
Yeah, they look like
they're like cannons or mortars or
We have
something.
taken
Yeah.
objective apples.
Ew, what was that?
me coughing.
Are you dying, Troy?
I am indeed.
Sorry. Oh, that's a tank right there.
Hey, can I be Gurp?
Gurp.
Or do you want to be Gurp? Actually, I'll be Gorp. I want to be
wieder
Gorp.
Okay, I'll be
zusammenfassen?
Gurp. Ooh,
Mann,
I don't
erste
like
Hilfe.
that. Yeah. Oh, that's a
Gonna go
tank.
We have lost objective butter.
Well,
Where?
Ich sehe mir die Wunde mal an. Ich krieg dich wieder hin. Hier, erste Hilfe für dich.
huge res.
Almost died of that. Not gonna lie.
Oh, that. That hit me for a lot. I think we're closing in on F. Alright, they know about us.
Hier, erste Hilfe. Versorg deine Wunden. Du bist verletzt, ich sehe mir das an. Erste Hilfe, nimm schon. Soll ich deine Wunden versorgen?
We're capping, we're capping, we're capping. Oh, this is easy. It's a grenade, but still pretty easy.
Noch die Beine. Braucht jemand erste Hilfe?
Somebody's on this point. There he is. No, when you can't drop shot in Battlefield? What is this shit?
Oh. That is just hooey, Troy. That is hooey!
Drop shotting? Yeah. You don't continue shooting when you press Z to lay down in prone position.
Oh, so we kept F. Yeah, Troy, you were right about the back cap. They're all just coming through.
They're gonna come.
I'm going for the long con.
We have lost objective Freddy. We have taken objective Charlie.
Oh,
I just
can't see
single-handedly
shit.
took.
There we go. Well, I was on F for too long
Holy
anyways.
shit, there's a whole bunch of them there, dude. I spawned and died. That's awesome.
This video game is good. That is a factual fact.
Factual.
That is a factual fact. If I've ever heard one. I hate the fog. That really bothers me a lot.
Halfway there.
Stinky motherfucker. Yeah, that's what I thought, dude. I'll take it. There's some stinky monkeys trying to take C.
Why does Attack have so many shotguns?
Because it's bullshit.
And then the good guns, you have to wait until level 10
Ah!
attack.
Oh, sit down, father. Oh, sit down.
Okay. Fine. Medic.
We have taken objective Charlie.
I'm just gonna go for that. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna focus the buildings.
He went that way. I'm gonna die. There we go. I got hit with a flare. That does not feel very good. Spawned in, am on fire. Cool, dude. Ah! Pressing buttons is hard. Oh, I forgot that they have a train. I forgot about the train.
Wait, that's their train?
Yep.
I thought that was ours.
Oh, there's a big old tank on B. That's pretty rad. Well, give up on that point.
Thank you.
They have like mortars. I think they know about us, Troy.
We are losing
Yeah, let's get the
objective
fuck out.
Duff.
Oh, there's a tank on the bridge.
Oh, is there?
Yep.
Troy going in for the res. Give me the points.
Yeah.
Alright, now we run. Damn it.
Shoot. Oh, no.
If you can get outrun.
Oh, I have 27 health, dude.
We have lost objective Duff.
Well, we had it for a
Oh,
little
and I
while.
got a kill.
Did you die?
No, and I got a kill.
Oh.
We have lost objective Apples.
Did you die?
Hier, erste
I'm
Hilfe.
about to.
We have lost objective
I'm
Freddy.
sitting up in the apartments at C.
And now we're running.
Battlefield really doesn't have any call-outs.
Not really, no. God damn it. Wish I was good at this video game. Yeah. Alright, so like 60 points and then we win.
Assist counts as kill. Boom. Assist counts.
That's only for team kills though. Ooh. Or like a squad kills rather.
Erste Hilfe für dich.
Can't tell if there's someone on the point. To be honest.
I think somebody knows about me.
Soll ich deine Wunden versorgen? Du bist verletzt. Ich kann dir helfen.
Come on, stupid.
Erste Hilfe. Gib schon.
Trying. Ah, fucker.
I need to find ammo.
This is why we need to support Troy. Am I really not gonna get rest? All the nice shit I do.
Ich zieh mir die Wunde an.
Oh god, that kid was awful. Ah! What? Huh. Ah, that was a bad idea. Lol. Okay, well, 5 points. Here we go.
I love this sniping point.
Troy is a scumbag. Oh, I finished in first, Troy. Look at that. God.
Dude,
Am God.
That dude went 54 and 4.
That's crazy. He went 18 and 16. Troy did really good.
That's because I started sniping. I'm just picking people off here and there.
Yeah. I like this map a lot better. This map I feel like is more fun, more fair too.
Indeed.
Indubitably.
Oh, you got up there, dude. 10 caps.
Play the objective. I'll take it. Alright, everybody, this has been Gorp, and we're gonna sign off. See you later, bros. Heh heh.